you want to know how you can simply go ahead and fix Elfster not sending emails, this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So for users who are not receiving emails or codes, check all folders. First, look in spam, junk, promotions, social, or update folders. However, if you still don't find it, add the hyphen. So let me just go ahead and show it to you real quick by writing it down. So as you can see, if you simply go ahead and type in so small v hyphen else, so else just like that, and then at elfster.com. So this is the email that you want to go ahead and add to your address books or trusted senders list, and then ask the organizer to resend the invitation or link, and then it should go ahead and work. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If it did, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.